Good day from us.
Hello, dear friend. We greet you with the love of Mother Earth Gaia.
We greet you with the unconditional love of the multiverse, of the universe, of all that is permeated within every single aspect of reality. How may I be of service today?
Thank you for this beautiful message. We certainly can feel your unconditional love to us. I've noticed that many of our friends and families from the stars are very often very cheerful, very joyful, and sometimes on Earth we experience emotions like sadness, like anger. And I was wondering if you could suggest to us and recommend to us how can we be more, how can we feel feelings that we prefer more.
The families from the stars have passed a long way until they reach this state of being where they allow the darkness, they allow the light, and they can always choose that which they prefer. It is a journey of healing, a journey of transformation, which you are all going through right now on your planet. These emotions that you mentioned, sadness, grief, anger, depression, they're just signals that something within your being, something that is deviant to who and what you truly are, is appearing on the surface. And it's just an opportunity for healing, for integration, and ultimately transformation of into luminosity, love, and blessing. So the idea is just to allow the processes to occur as they need to occur, not to interfere, not even to think so much about them, because the transformation is already occurring the moment you put your attention into it, your focus. And in this process of allowance, of acceptance, yes, they may be suffering or rejection or resistance to it, but allow even that resistance. Do not resist the resistance, because then you are creating a circling experience where you're just amplifying what you do not prefer. And by allowing what you do not prefer, accepting it, validating it, then you have the opportunity to transform it in what you do prefer.
Thank you very much. This really helps. And
Thank you.
um, lately, I've been really enjoying tuning into the oneness, tuning into the vibration that and the memory that we are all one and that we are not separate. And I was wondering if you could suggest a way that all of us we can this, especially in the most challenging moments.
You're always connected to the oneness because you are an aspect of all that is. And the experience here on Earth and on any other planet is just a dream. Your natural state is being a spirit. And in that state, you are just knowing, you are experiencing yourself connected to the divine, connected to the oneness. And not experiencing yourself connected with the oneness gives you an opportunity to awaken, to remember yourself, to remember that you are connected to the oneness, but from another point of view, from another perspective. And this is a gift. So, how you can feel yourself to the oneness is just by observing everything around you, sending love to everyone and everything around you. You can visualize these very thin light strands connecting you to everything and to everyone. And just when you inhale light, brilliant white light into your heart center. And when you exhale, you visualize, you see, you feel, and you will that light going through everybody, into the hearts of everybody, into the hearts of everything. And you just see them as luminous stars or luminous constellations. And the more you see that into the others, the more you will start to experience yourself as such a bright light. And then will come also the remembrance of the oneness. Because you agreed to forget about the oneness. You agreed to enter into a reality where there is a veil of forgetting. And again, this is a gift. Because imagine yourself just living beyond space, beyond time. Everything is light. You might get boring at some time. So you just decided to come here and play this game of forgetting, of duality, of playing with polarities. And this can be fun. But the fun part comes after negative belief systems, segregated belief systems, and thoughts and emotions are being healed and integrated, which is a finite process. Of course, the purification, the integration never finishes because nobody is just an angel. Everyone is an angel and a demon together. You all have light and dark. This is why you have the Tai Chi symbol, where the circle of the white and the black, and they have small circles of black and white of the opposite color, reminding you always that within the black there is the white, within the light there is the darkness. So just play the game of polarities and know that you are both of them simultaneously. And it's just a matter of focus, a matter of your attention on which one you put. And this is what you will ultimately experience.
What a beautiful permission slip. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Would you suggest a way that we can connect more deeply to nature?
You are all extensions of Mother Earth, Gaia. You're always connected to her because she is part of all that is. You're part, you're an aspect of all that is. But the easiest way to connect to the nature is just walking in the forest, walking in the garden, observing the trees, breathing with the trees, with the flowers. You can sit with your back next to a tree. Just close your eyes. Imagine roots coming from your sacrum, from the soles of your feet, golden roots into the heart of your planet. This is on the exhale, and on the inhale, you can visualize this light coming up your roots, up your spine, and you can actually expand into the branches of the tree, and you can start experiencing yourself from the point of view, from the perspective of the tree. You can enter into a meditative state where the tree can actually share with you wisdom, knowledge, magic, because the trees they speak, the trees they see. And of course, if you approach a tree with love, the tree will respond with love and acceptance. Again, the state of being is very important. You can always ask the tree if it is okay if the tree prefers to share with you his energy, her energy. And the answer will come either in visualization, in feeling, or in a thought. Or you can just sit in a standing position next to a tree and imagining breathing into the tree. For example, you can heal like these emotions. You put it on the tree and you exhale the negative emotions, visualizing it how it's going into the roots of the tree, transforming into positive love, blessing, into luminosity. And then on the inhale, you inhale this golden light straight into your heart center, and on the exhale, feeling your whole body, feeling your whole aura. And this is actually how you can receive messages from the trees. You inhale the answer, and when you're exhaling it into your heart center, into your body, and into your aura. And then you just remain still, observing 10%, 90% on the heart center, 10% what is happening and what is occurring around you and within you.
Thank you very much. I will most definitely try this. Do you have any closing words for us today?
You are love. You are made of love. And when you experience negative emotions, it's just another aspect of love, because you're on a planet where unconditional love is the main vibration of the universe. And you love yourself so unconditionally that you allow yourself to experience these negative emotions. So when you start perceiving them as unconditional love, then all your life will be filled with these higher vibrations of love, unconditional love, acceptance, allowance, friendship, communion, bliss, ultimately.
Thank you very much for this beautiful reminder to all of us.
Thank you. Our unconditional love to all of you. It's an honor, passion, and pleasure, a gift to co-create such a magical experience. We love you, we hold you in deep appreciation in our hearts, and we will see you very soon. Good day.